3, 2, 1.
What is the longest living animal in the world? The answer is B, tortoise. What appliance boils, simmers, or steams food? The answer is D, stove. What was the horse-drawn chariot of Norse god Thor called? The answer is C, Skidbladnir. Who is the founder of the group that owns Gillette Stadium, the New England Revolution, Rand Whitney Container Corp., and the New England Patriots? The answer is B, Robert Kraft. What is the term for the study of inflation and interest rates? The answer is A, monetary policy. Which is likeliest to attract a magnet? The answer is B, a wrench. Who wrote the catchy theme song of the show Magnum P.I.? The answer is A, Mike Post. Hydropower is generated with what natural resource? The answer is A, water. What is the stick used in field hockey called? The answer is A, bat. Sterilized hemp seeds are often sold as what? The answer is B, bird seed. What did Ron and Hermione use to destroy Hufflepuff's cup? The answer is D, basilisk fangs. Who composed the Symphony No. 5 in C minor, Op. 67? The answer is A, Ludwig van Beethoven. The earliest known European example of Homo sapiens was discovered in 1868 and was given what name? The answer is B, Cro-Magnon man. What household item do you write with that often has blue or black ink? The answer is D, pen. What has to be broken before you can use it, and after that never again?
The answer is A, egg.
What do you call vesicle transport into the cell? The answer is B, endocytosis. Scientists have discovered organisms that thrive in hot water that is 90 degrees C 194 degrees F and do not need sunlight or oxygen to live. Into which kingdom would the scientists classify these organisms? The answer is A, Archaebacteria. Which enzyme acts first in response to the ingestion of a hamburger patty? The answer is B, pepsin in the stomach. Which social media platform was launched in February 2004? The answer is C, Facebook. What tool is used to remove screws? The answer is B, screwdriver. What device is used for measuring weight in the kitchen? The answer is D, clock. What legendary queen did Elizabeth Taylor portray in a 1963 movie? The answer is C, Queen Cleopatra. Which shellfish is said to be an aphrodisiac? The answer is A, oysters. What are essential for pollination but can spread disease and destroy crops? The answer is C, insects. What is the largest country in the Americas in terms of territory? The answer is C, Canada. Which nut has a hard, inedible outer shell and an edible inner kernel? The answer is D, cashew. What is the longest-running animated series? The answer is A, The Simpsons. In which century was the atomic clock invented? The answer is C, 20th century. What is DNA's chemical structure? The answer is D, nucleic acid. What is the speed of light in vacuum approximately? The answer is B, 186,282 miles per second. Which element is the heaviest noble gas? The answer is D, xenon. Which celestial body is not a planet, but was once considered one? The answer is C, Earth. What is the state of hydrogen at SDP? The answer is A, gas. In which country is sambai a popular drink? The answer is C, Cambodia. The stomach mucosa's epithelial lining consists only of surface mucus cells, which secrete a protective coat of what? The answer is D, alkaline mucus. What kind of food is amasi, a meal very popular in South Africa? The answer is B, fermented meal. Endocytosis and exocytosis are types of vesicle transport that carry very large molecules across what structure? The answer is D, cell membrane. Which language is known as the language of diplomacy? The answer is C, French. Due to the time it takes for light to reach us, Galaxies at the edge of the universe are distant in terms of space, and what else? The answer is A. Time. In their pure form, all elements have an oxidation number of what? The answer is C. 0. What are the traditional colors of Mardi Gras? The answer is A. Purple, green, and gold. Which goddess was Apollo's sister? The answer is D. Artemis. The Rhine flows through which countries? Multiple answers, comma separated. The answer is A. France. What did Caligero's father do for a living in the movie A Bronx Tale? The answer is C. He was a bus driver. Which of these is not a part of the Internet architecture? The answer is C. ISP. Which two crops would humans likely avoid in a famine? The answer is A. Tobacco and cocoa. What did H. Taylor Howard invent in 1976? The answer is B. Satellite dish. Which is the world's largest political party by number of members? The answer is B. Indian National Congress. The Tesla Roadster is an electric vehicle produced from 2008 to 2012. How many units were produced? The answer is C. 1,000. Which piece of equipment does an American football quarterback hold?